Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest reviews of the latest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of fitness and nutrition with a close look at the SASCHA Fitness Hydrolyzed Whey Protein Isolate, 100% grass-fed, in the delicious vanilla flavor. Hey everyone, it's your host here, and today we're talking about one of the most popular protein supplements out there.
Now, before we get started,
be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews.
Alright, let's jump right into it.
The SASCHA Fitness Hydrolyzed Whey Protein Isolate is making some big promises, boasting top-notch quality and exceptional taste.
But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what sets this protein powder apart. It's made from 100% isolate and hydrolyzed grass-fed protein, which means your muscles absorb it faster than traditional protein powders. Plus, with 25 grams of protein per serving, it's perfect for fueling muscle growth and recovery. Not only does it deliver on protein content, but it's also packed with essential amino acids like BCAAs and EAAs, which help protect your muscles and support overall performance.
And here's the kicker. It's sugar-free, carb-free, and low in fat, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to lean out and get shredded.
Now, let's talk taste.
I've tried my fair share of protein powders, and I have to say, the vanilla flavor of SASCHA Fitness is top-notch. It's creamy, it's smooth, and it tastes just like a milkshake.
Plus, it's sweetened with 100% stevia, so you can enjoy it guilt-free without any artificial sweeteners. One thing I really appreciate about this protein powder is how versatile it is. You can mix it with water for a quick post-workout shake, blend it into smoothies for added protein, or even use it in recipes to boost your daily protein intake. The possibilities are endless.
But of course, taste isn't everything.
Let's talk about what's inside this protein powder. It's gluten-free, lactose-free, and free from any artificial additives or fillers. Plus, it's fortified with digestive enzymes to improve digestion and prevent any unwanted bloating or discomfort.
So, who is this protein powder for?
Well, whether you're a seasoned athlete looking to maximize your gains or just someone trying to lead a healthier lifestyle,
SASCHA Fitness Hydrolyzed Whey Protein Isolate is definitely worth considering.
It supports muscle growth, aids in fat loss, and helps you recover faster from intense workouts.
In conclusion, I have to say, I'm impressed with what SASCHA Fitness has to offer.
From its high-quality ingredients to its delicious taste, it's clear that a lot of thought and care went into creating this product. So, if you're in the market for a premium protein powder that delivers results, look no further than SASCHA Fitness Hydrolyzed Whey Protein Isolate. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews just like this one. Until next time, stay healthy and stay fit.